Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out a 2023 Beneteau Flyer 7 that was on display at the Suncoast Boat Show earlier this year. This one's powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard, and the boat itself measures in at 23 feet 7 inches in length. She's got a beam at 8 feet 2, and she's got a maximum draft of around 2 feet 7. As I step on this boarding platform, you can see there's actually ladders as well. So it's easy to get in from the water, but also easy to get in if you were on a trailer. And this one comes complete with a T-top, giving you shade and protection at the helm, but it's also got the rod holders built in. I like the fact that there's a little doorway leading into the transom. That way you can keep it closed if you get young kids or pets on board. At the helm you'll see we've got this lean-in post that suits 2 adults. It's got the wrap-round handle so it's easy to hold on to. We do have pop-out seats to both port and starboard. And of course we've got the bench seat along the transom. I really like how many handholds are in place throughout the entire boat. Always feels as if there's something within reach that you can grab onto. And as well as having full engine instrumentation, this one's got a Garmin multifunction display. There's a small screen that will help keep that wind and spray down. And with this T-top you could probably use up top as storage for things like life jackets as well. Throughout the boat you've got plenty of drinks holders. These also double up as access to handheld devices, whether that's your cell phone or VHS. And this one does have a lockable cuddy, and in here, if this was my boat, this would be a great place for keeping storage, whether that's fishing equipment. I'd also seriously look at putting a porta-potti in here, and you got privacy if you ever need a change of clothes. This would also be a good place to store any sort of canopy covers you want to have, or even removable seats. And speaking of removable seats, as we make our way around to the bow, you'll see that all the seating area up here has got really soft padded cushions. That circle you see in the deck, there's one in the stern as well, and that way you can put a cockpit table either up front or on the back of the boat. And there's storage underneath those seats. But I was impressed to see that this one's equipped with a moor and anchoring kit. Ideal for some fishing, but also relaxing lunch. You might want to do some swimming and snorkeling as well. And this one carries 45 gallons of fuel and 13 gallons of water. And this is going to give you a top speed in excess of 30 knots, and a cruising speed probably in the low to mid 20s. More than enough to enjoy a day on the water. And as to the price point, this one should be $109,688 based on the manufacturer list price, but it was on offer for $75,795 at the boat show. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really makes a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.